Model, 2014 Vauxhall Vivaro 2700 2.0 CDTI, 90 PS, short wheelbase, S.RF. Eco EU5 SL. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 165297. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 90 bhp, Euro 5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119